In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Scalper 2030 PRO on my broker account for months. And zounds, it scalped my stakes to stellar gains with the panache of a parodic pip pirate. Telegram Tatler trumpeted it as the EA that slices markets without the slips. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Scalper 2030 PRO maestro of margins. Ah, the zip folder for the Scalper 2030. PRO disrobes with ducal decorum, a brisk right-click and extract. Here liberates the ex4 file, setfile, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the ex4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the SCALPER 2030PRO to EURUSD and GBPUSDs, H1 proscenium, invoked the setfile, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the Scalper 2030 PRO parades. It's plus 989.33%. Absolute gain escapade on light finance. Ballooning deposits into a locked balance with steady profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.34% chuckles. Monthly 10.89% guffaws. Equity curve a bemused descent lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners, way above the 60% benchmark for currency bots that chase quick swings. Average win, a juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the Scalper 2030 PRO's built-in precision scalping and drawdown reduction that keep risks tame. Get this, net pips in the thousands. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile EURUSD and GBPUSD without overtrading. Drawdown's only 24.32% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor high more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in massive back. Commissions? Low on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of high per trade covers it easy. Average hold time reasonable for H1 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 989% plus yearly without the heart attacks, this Scalper 2030 PRO is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Scalper 2030 PRO on MT4 with ticks from recent data and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $1,038.19. Gross profits $4,751, edging out losses for that clean edge. Trades total balanced. Win rate high overall. Average trade netting positive with max drawdown low absolute. Quick scalps. No drama. Perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Scalper 2030 PRO has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Scalper 2030 PRO strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks!